Good evening, everyone. Thank you for coming. My name is Sarah. I live in Rio, and I work in IT. And I have a job interview for my dream job in Lisbon. Finally, I have this shot in my life, and it's gonna be a crucial step in my career. But I really feel unsafe, I really feel insecure because I never did a job interview abroad. And I really want to go and have this experience in Europe. So I feel very happy, but at the same time, very frustrated. Who here have been in a job interview? Raise your hand, please. So you know what I mean. You know, job interviews is really something that generates frustration. And this is exactly my problem. So I was talking about this with my best friend, who actually found her dream job in Lisbon a few months ago. And she really advised me to use a website called Get That Job There, and which is really focusing on helping people in my situation, people who are looking to improve and perform better in their job interviews. So let's go and check what this website has to offer. Ready? So let's have a look at it. Job interviews done right improve your job interview skills and get that job there. This really speaks to me because this is really what I want. Let's go a bit down and see what they have. So there is some reviews. I really like to read them. You know, it helps to know what people think about what they do. So let's go a bit up. Where's your dream job? So my dream job is in Lisbon. I'm gonna type Lisbon. And I will go and find a coach. Cool. So apparently I can start my journey for my dream job in Lisbon. Let's see what they have. So there is a video, there is a checklist, there is a flashcards, and there is also a coaching. So let me see. I think I'm gonna click on start now and see what happens. Cool. This video about the origin of job interviews looks very cool. But I think I will watch it later. Let's go to the checklist. So here, it's a checklist to help me to prepare my job interview. So let's have a look at it. Update your LinkedIn profile. This is something I already did, so I'm gonna mark it as done. Check the LinkedIn profile of the recruiter. Personally, this is something I don't do, but I think it's really interesting because when you know a bit more about the recruiter you are going to meet, it really helps you to have a better speech, you know, and to relate to that person. So this is something I definitely will do later. But let's continue and go to the flashcards. So, how early should you arrive to the interview? Usually I arrive like 20 minutes before, but let's check if they have another answer. 15 minutes, this sounds fair, okay. So this is like flashcards to help me to prepare better, to master few things about the differences between cultures. You know, when you want to move and work abroad in a different country, there is some different cultural codes that you don't know. So let's check this later. Let's go to the coaching part. Cool, so here there is 105 coaches in Lisbon. Let's have a look at them. So there is coaches in IT. Let's go a bit down. There is a bunch of coaches here. Let's see if I can filter. Let's go up. Yeah, cool, I can filter. So I work in IT. Naturally, I would like to have a coach who knows my field, so I'm gonna filter with the IT field. Okay, so Patricia. Yeah, Patricia Barreto. She's the one, my friend booked a session with her. So I think I'm gonna go for Patricia. So let's check the profile of Patricia. Okay, let's see a little bit of her resume. I really like, you know, to read about who will be my coach. Okay, the price is okay for me as well. I want to book a session with Patricia. So my job interview is next Friday. I want to start working ASAP because it's a decisive step in my career. So I want to book a meeting with Patricia for next Monday. So at 10 a.m. and as a first contact, I will go for 1 hour. Cool, let's book a session with Patricia. Oh yeah, payment pending. I have to pay, of course, so I'm gonna pay. So you see, it seems very simple. It was really quick. Like I found a coach. I think it's gonna be the perfect coach for me very quickly, and I can pay. So let's go. You know, this is the demo effect. It's something that always happens. So thank you for your understanding. Yeah, but it works, you see. So pay now. Yeah, I'm gonna confirm my payment has been successful. Great, there is money in my bank account. Okay, so we did everything. My problem was to find someone to help me to improve my job interview skills. I found Patricia, I booked a session with her. Now, I would like to contact her, so I can send her an email, but let's see if she's online on the chat on the website. So let's see and contact Patricia. I'm gonna say, hi Patricia, and maybe start a conversation with her. So now I really, really feel much better. I hope you can feel it. I started very, very frustrated. Now I found the perfect coach, and Lisbon, here I am. Thank you.
Nice to meet you guys. I know today is Friday evening. Usually I go out, but let's say that yesterday I had pretty much a busy night, and tonight I feel more like I would rather chill and, you know, Netflix and chill, watch a good movie. But I have a problem when it comes to that. Like, I always take ages to pick a good movie to watch. And the worst thing about that is that I always go through the same painful process. Like, I'm full of goodwill, so basically what I do is that I go on Netflix and start jumping to a trailer, to another one, to another one, to another one, till I lose my soul in the lime of Netflix, you know? And at this point, usually, I start being very frustrated, and what I would do, even sometimes, I would even start a movie, and like 5 minutes later, stop it because I'm already bored. But I have a few tricks in my sleeves. Like, I have this couple of good friends who always give me good recommendations about movies, but the only problem is that I never recall the title of the movies when I need it most. I mean, that was before. Before I knew this application, I have to show you, where you can gather all your friends' recommendations about good movies to watch. So let me show you around. Now I'm in my feed, and tonight I feel more like I would like to seek some good action movies to be a bit distracted. So I will select the action movies. So apparently, wow, Matt Pinchel is watching Mission Impossible right now. Okay, good to know. I don't really care, but that's fine. So let's go a bit down. No, Britney. No, that's not possible. No, that I cannot agree. I disagree with this review. I have to change it right now because it's totally wrong. Like, Jason Bourne is one of my favorite movies. I have to tell my friends. Jason Bourne, okay, I select it. This was really one of my favorite movies, I have to tell it. Very good movie. You're totally wrong. Okay, it's fine. Done. I will probably unfollow her later, but it's fine. So let's go back to action movie, where I was. Okay, so now I'm here. Okay. This one I already saw. Oh. Can't watch what? Oh, okay. Okay, I like Jurassic World, but I don't feel so much I will watch it today, so I'll probably add it to my wish list for later. Okay, guys, I'm tired like it's fine going to the feed, but I can't choose right now. And when it comes to action movies, I only trust one person. This person, you probably guess who is it? Quentin Tarantino, of course. So let's start looking for him. Okay, he is here. I will start like following him to see a little bit what he has. So let's go to his wish list, right? To see a bit what kind of movies does he want to see. Okay. He's bragging, of course. Only showing his movies, but I guess it makes sense, advertising, of course. Let's see a little bit what movies did he review. Oh, Gone Girl. What is it already? I forgot. Let's see. Okay. Wait, okay. I have a few friends who watched it already. Okay, Tarantino loved it. That's a good point, maybe the most important. But I have also other friends who recommend it, so maybe it's worth it. So basically, usually what I would do is like tell my friends and my community that I'm watching this movie, but the problem is tonight I have this Egyptian friend coming, and he's coming from Egypt just to watch a movie with me, so it's kind of a big deal. But you know what is worse than picking a movie by yourself? Is when you are with another person. This is even worse. Even worse.
I agree, but I wasn't planning to Netflix and chill with you, to be honest.
Come on. Okay, but you know what? The good thing is that in this application, since Rifai is also a good fan of it, we can just shuffle a good movie recommended both by his friends and my friends. And so then probably we'll find a good movie to watch. Easy, right? So I'm going to the shuffle, and I'm going to add Rifai to play with him. So let's shuffle with Rifai, right? Okay, Rifai, what do you think about this one?
Pass.
Come on, don't be that hard. Okay, let's pass this one. What about this one?
I've watched it. I'd recommend it. If I were you, I'd
because I don't know it. It's cool?
Yeah, bookmark it.
Okay, bookmark it for later. Oh, no, this one I already saw, like, it's cool, but not tonight. But I will tell my friends I loved it. What about this one?
I dislike it.
You dislike
it? No, it's not worth it.
You know
to
what?
be honest, not worth it.
You know what?
Not worth it.
I trust you, and I will tell my friends from true Rifai that I didn't like it. Okay, this one. Man, come on.
I mean, let's go. Let's do it.
I will tell my friends that I'm going to watch it just so they know what I'm doing, because I'm this kind of social media guy. Cool. As you can see, picking a movie has never been that easy. Thank you.
So, as you can see, unlock your phone. I participated in Big O Day. Kind of backfired on me. I had a Tinder date lined up for tonight, sent her a picture, and I have not heard back from her since. So now I have a problem of where am I going to go tonight? What am I going to do? And I could ask Anderson. He's really bad at giving suggestions. I don't want to take any of his suggestions. Brittany, on the other hand, she recommended an app called Night Roulette. So, never used it before. Let's go there and check it out and see what it's about. So there's a how it works section. Looks like there's a couple different locations. I'm not really interested in reading the instructions though, so let's just gamble and let's go. All right, so you can customize which type of venue. You could do a bar, restaurant, had some great feijoada earlier, so I'm not really interested in eating. Let's do a club as well. Confirm your location. All right, location confirmed. Anyone else want to go? All right, so I'll take 4 of you. Hopefully there's a way that I can share this with you later on and let you all know where we're going. So let's place our bet. It's picking the perfect location here for us. Sampling through all these places. Oh, awesome. They've selected a nightclub here for us. They're ordering a taxi now. This place has a 5-star rating and it's open till 5 a.m., so it's going to be a good night. All right. They have confirmed that the driver is en route. Marcelo will be here in 4 minutes. It's going to be 13 reals, and there is a license plate given. So super excited, still have no idea where we're going. Hopefully Marcelo will show up quick and we can get our night going. All right, Marcelo is here. We are going to Rio de Janeiro. Lapa. I'm definitely going to do the Lapa Oi tonight. All right, so it's got some good food, imported beers, 4 stars. All right, so, I can share it with you guys. So let's go ahead and share it. All right, so now anyone who's linked with me on social media knows where I'm going. And still on the way there. All right, we have arrived. We can rate it, but I'm not going to bother with that. Let's just go ahead and get our night started. So thank you very much.